In today's episode of Blacktop Performance, we're going to be diving deep and to see the comparison between the butcher, the baker, and the candlestick maker, and what they have in common. We're also going to be talking to Charlie, the cheater, and see how he gets away with having an affair against his wife. Then we're going to bring in Pamela, the provider, and see how she can pay her mortgage, and she doesn't even have a job. Oh, what? Wrong? Oh, my bad. That's for our HBO upcoming series, so scratch that. This is the auto channel? Okay. Yeah, on today's episode of Blacktop Performance, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to be doing something much more boring and providing a little information on how to pull out a power steering pump for a 1979 Camaro. But this will actually be for any small block Chevy, big block Chevy. They're going to be pretty much similar. Pulling and yanking and slapping off a power steering pump on a vehicle. I was looking forward to talking to Charlie the cheater. Nevertheless, we're going to get into this. We're going to dive deep into the power steering removal, give you how-to videos. First thing I'm going to let you know is you got a belt on there. It's very tight. You can't get it off. You're like, how do I get that thing off? Well, glad you asked those kind of questions. Right here. This is your pivot point. Take off that 5/8 bolt, loosen it up, and you'll be able to swing this power steering up or down, loosening this belt to pull it off the pulley. Then you'll notice you got a bolt over here. Then you'll have one more bolt down yonder. 3 bolts hold it on. 3 bolts will take it off. Then once we take this off, we're going to have to remove this pulley and slap it onto the new pulley, because for some dumb reason they don't have pulleys attached to the power steering pump when you buy one. You always got to pull them off. It's just another hassle. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing in today's episode, so stay tuned. I'm going to go get my gloves on. I'm going to break out some tools. We'll bring you back here, and hopefully we can help somebody out there that needs to pull off a power steering pump. So we'll be right back. Well, since this is such an easy job, and it's kind of boring, and it's not really that difficult, most people know how to do it, but, we're making this for the newbies out there who are just getting started, maybe have their first car. They're trying to learn, and how to do things and work on the cars, and this is more for them. But I'm going to let my new assistant, Scottie the Scottish Man, take over here and pull this power steering pump off of this small block Chevy 350. So, here you go, buddy. Oh, thank you very much there, Johnny. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to hold the camera and take off this thingamajigger, but, I'll give it a whirl. So, from what I heard, you got a bolt down here. You said it was a 5/8, but it's actually a 9/16, You got to watch out for the Americans. I apologize to your bolt for him trying to make you look fatter than you really are. 9/16 bolt, you just loosen it up. Once you got it loose, only got a couple more bolts to go. It's actually a pretty easy job. It's kind of difficult though, holding the camera with one hand, holding this thingamajig with another. How long is this freaking bolt? Why do you give me a wrench, man? Why couldn't you give me a damn socket or a ratchet wrench or something? I mean, come on, for crying out loud. This thing is longer than Betty White's. Oh, I better not say nothing about that. Never mind then. Rest in peace, my dear love. Oh, that thing is still on there pretty good. There, you finally... Alright, thank you, sir. You bastard. Should have handed me this 5 minutes ago. Alright, once this is loose, I think we'll be able to slap a jammy on there and take off this belt. It's pretty loose. Is it gonna fall out? How am I supposed to catch it and hold the camera at the same time? Come on. Oh, no. I can barely turn it. I'm giving it all I got, Captain. Holy mackerel. Is this thing loose at all? I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna pull a lever or something. Oh, the bolt almost fell on me. I got it out though. I think we're okay. One bolt extracted. Now what here? Let's see. Get all these damn wires out of my way. This thing don't budge. I thought you said this thing would be loose. I mean, it's not moving. What if I beat it with a hammer? That seems always work in Scotland. Let me go grab a hammer real quick. How long has this thing been out of focus, y'all? You should tell me this stuff, man. Don't just sit here and take a blurry picture of me. What the hell's wrong with your camera? What a piece of crap. What is this, Japanese? This thing stayed blurry, man. It's like crazy. It's got its own mind. That thing's not the right way. What the hell am I supposed to do now? Where's Johnny when you need him? This thing, I don't understand. Ugh. Is it okay just to beat it anywhere? I don't really know. This belt's pretty tight though, man. I just don't get it. What if I take another bolt loose, huh? Maybe that'll help. I think... Yeah, it looks like this bolt. Yeah, that's another bolt. Wow, this thing's already loose. What the hell's going on? Your car's falling apart. It's another 9/16. Okay, I got it loose, but I don't want the thing to fall off on me. I think one more bolt down here. This damn extension's way too long. Give me a shorter one. For crying out loud. What the hell? Let me grab this shorter extension and put this on here. This one hand stuff, this is bullcrap. Alright, this is the final bolt, I believe. Hey, look at there, it's starting to fall down. The belt's becoming looser. That's exactly what I needed. Ow. Oh, don't tell him I scratched his paint. Holy crap. Hey, maybe I can take this belt and get it out of my way now. There we go. Yeah, look at me. I did it. Alright, this power steering pump is like, yeah boy, it's about off. This thing is in my way though, what the hell? Now I can't get my tool thingamajigger on there. Let's see. What's in my way there? It's a little part of that pulley or bracket or something. Stopping me from getting the socket up upon that bolt thing. This is just... Wait a minute. Can I move it back up a little? Oh, never leave. Maybe I can get it on there now. Barely. Okay. I'll be damned if I put the new one on. Oh, he's gonna have to do that himself. He don't pay me enough for this stuff. They're making me do this with one hand, man. That's just cruel. Told me it would build character. I don't need no damn character. I got plenty of character. My knuckles are getting all chopped up by this fan, you know. Why didn't he take the fan out of my way? Damn Americans. They always want the easy way out. Is this bolt ever gonna come out? Piece of crap socket don't want to stay on there. She's pretty damn loose though. I'll give it that. I can't get the thing on. This is bull crap. I'm not sure what to do here. Maybe I'll try this thing again. I think it's only got another 200 turns to go. don't ask what that was, man. I don't want to know. Don't! The bolt fell to the floor. I think we'll be alright. So as you can see, you know, the power steering loose now. I got one more bolt holding it on. And then I get this whatchamacallit, this power steering hose attached to the back, you know. That's about it though. I think it'll be kind of simple. Anyway, take this off now. See if we can make this thing fall to the floor. Not my fault. I only got one hand. I gotta hold the ratchet, don't I? Gotta hold it. Whoop. Oh, nobody move. Nobody move. Okay. Okay. I think it fell. I think maybe I can get this out of here. Well, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but you know, whatever works. There. Okay, I got that there. We got, and as you can see, we got to loosen the thingamajigger there, the engine. Yeah, the engine. So now all that we got is this one bolt here attaching this line, and then another one here attaching this hose. Once we get those two removed, it's out of there. And I think that's it. I'll be done. I'll be ready for a vacation. So let's see. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but oh, this big thing that's gonna be a bigger wrench. So I'm gonna go look around the shop and see if I can find a bigger wrench. And I don't know, that thing just looks like it's just held on by a hose or something. Yeah. I don't see no clamp or nothing. It's just pulled on there. So okay, I better get this bolt. Oh, it fell to the floor too. So that's, you know, good thing there's a floor there. Catch everything. So I'm gonna go find a bigger wrench, or I may let Johnny take over from here. You know, I think I've done enough. He pretty much figured it out, you know. Not much to it. If I can do it with one hand, you know, I'm sure y'all can do it. So I'm gonna go tell him to finish it up. I'm done. I quit. I don't want no more of this. I guess I'll see you guys later. Oh, for crying out loud. I asked him to come out here and finish it up, and he's in there sipping a margarita and watching a movie in the AC. I'm out here in a 100-degree garage working on this piece of beautiful machinery, but come on now. Says he needs me to finish it up. Says he needs the help spicing up his channel. What the hell? Do I look like a Spice Girl? How am I supposed to spice up his channel? I guess once begun... What? I guess once begun, half done? Something like that. I don't remember what my grandpa used to say. Once begun, half done. Yeah, never made sense to me either. Nevertheless, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I got 1 5/8 nut here. And I'll be honest, that thing was on there tight. Super tight. I had to use 2 hands. But it's still on there tight. But I think I can do it with 1 hand now. Yeah. There we go. I had to break it loose with a 5/8 wrench and a cheating bar. And if you don't have yourself a cheating bar such as this, you know, go out and get one. That thing works very well for everything, especially for rowdy neighbors. You wave that at them and they won't be so rowdy. Now, I'm thinking all the power steering fluid he said was drained out of here, so we shouldn't have any leak here. I'm hoping if not, it may just make a mess everywhere, you know, and that's not on me. He told me it was empty, so if it makes a mess, you know, he's got to clean that up. Won't be I. But, uh-oh, there's a little fluid. I see some fluid down there. But we got one line off. That's the high pressure line. And then we got this one here. And it just looks like a hose with no clamp. You know, that's kind of strange, but... So we just pull that hose off, and this thing ought to fall right to the floor. Yeah. Now, there's quite a bit of fluid still up in there. I guess I can, let me grab one of his shirts right here. He don't even go out and buy rags, you know, professional shop rags or anything. He just uses old shirts. Like, what a cheap bastard. I guess it works, so let's see if I can drain this a little bit and get some of that fluid out, because he's still got some in there. And maybe I can just pull his hose off. Might have to get a pair of pliers. It may be on there, you know. I think he said this car was 1979, so it's been on there for 412 years. That's a long time. That hose may have welded itself on there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this shirt down there and flip this thing over, see if we can drain some of that fluid. I think I'm getting it further stuck in there, wedged. For crying out loud. Get up here so I can work with you. Okay. Basically, we got one more hose to take off. And I'm gonna have to use 2 hands for that, so. But you see how you can actually take a power steering pump off with 1 hand. I'm gonna have to get a pair of pliers and loosen this up, you know, just wiggle it around and pull it off. And then that's it. The power steering pump will be out. So not much to it. Still got some fluid. We'll have to drain that out a little bit. But let me see if I can get a screwdriver tucked up in there. Probably not without it falling down. I may have to. This hose looks like it's 120 years old. It's falling apart already. You may have to replace this hose. Yeah, this thing is just not in very good shape whatsoever. So I'm gonna let him look at the hose. He can take that damn thing off himself. And he's telling me lied about his fluid. He's still got fluid in it. So I'm gonna end it there. I'm gonna let him take off that last hose, and I'll tell him I'll end this video. It's been a success. It's been very pleasing to hang out with you guys and show you how to take off a power steering pump with one hand. So there you go. Give it a like. Give him a subscribe. He'll think the world of me for spicing up his channel. So anyway, I bid y'all farewell, and until next time, y'all be good.